Yeah, it was a very tough match throughout. I came out nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but then I just fought really hard and just happy to come through with the win.
Was there anything about this game that bothered you really?
Nothing, no. I just played my game and just played very well throughout and just really happy right now.
All right, this is the best position to be in at this time, going into the reverse singles and doubles, right?
Yeah, I mean, I like where we are. I'm happy with what the guys did today. I mean, they put up a fantastic fight. But we have a ways to go. We have a lot of work to do. This is just the beginning. It's the best start I think obviously we could have had, but we have work to do.
Okay, were you a bit concerned after the first set in Blaise's match?
I knew he wasn't settled, so I thought if I could help him get settled, he would put up a very good fight, and he did. And when he's in fighting mode, he's tough to beat.
Randy started off well as usual, playing very well, went at 1-love, and Blaise came out, played a bit shaky in the first set, but got his groove back in the second set and played a great match. And just very happy to be up 2-love.
The crowd support was big. Obviously, I think for the first match in Randy, it was getting to the opponent's head a little bit. And for Blaise, I think the crowd really brought Blaise back into the match. And it's the crowd that brought him back.
It's a great feeling. That being said, we're certainly not going to celebrate too early. As I said, the guys can enjoy this for maybe another hour. They'll have the ice baths, they'll have the team meetings, they'll do their preps, and there's a lot more work to be done. But certainly, 2-love feels far better than Love 2 or 1 hour, so we're feeling good.